PageFinder makes searching for specific page content effortless by indexing page-level information from your documents. This video will demonstrate how PageFinder's multimodal and AI-assisted search can find the right content from your documents quickly and with relevant source pages. Here, we see a variety of folders and files that have been uploaded to the PageFinder File Manager. Adding a folder or file is as easy as dragging and dropping to the drop zone, or selecting from the Explorer. When the files show the process status, that means they are now ready to be searched. To begin searching within the contents of these files, simply select the Find option. On the right, you can see some input fields where you can enter keywords or phrases. For example, I can look for pages containing the keyword invoice. The search results shown on the left include the file name, the page number, and the highlighted keyword. I can narrow down the results by adding additional keywords such as a customer name. We see the list has updated with only the page that contains both keywords. I can even click on the thumbnail to preview the page. In addition to keywords and phrases, you can search for the image content in a page by using the similarity search option. For example, if I enter the keywords pie chart and then search, I get no results since those keywords are not explicitly in my documents. But if I use the similarity search feature, I can describe what type of image I'm looking for by choosing text and then entering pie charts. Now, my results show pages that contain pie charts. If I am looking for something more specific and I have an example image, then I can choose the image option and upload an image file. PageFinder will find and score any pages with matching content. You can fine-tune the results by adjusting the score and then re-executing the search. Beyond the enhanced search functions already shown, PageFinder also has an AI chat feature that allows you to search using natural language queries to get answers sourced from your documents. Let's revisit the invoice example shown earlier, but in this case, instead of just searching for the invoice, we can also ask for the AI chatbot to retrieve information and generate an answer for us. For example, I enter, I need to find an invoice. It should contain the name Add for Tech. Please list the line items and amounts. Also, tell me what was the invoice date. And very shortly, I get an answer that includes the line items and amounts from the requested invoice, as well as the invoice date. It also has a link to the source page, which I can click to view the originating source to verify if the AI provided an accurate answer and not a hallucination. This concludes our demo of PageFinder. To get your own free account, go to beta.pagefinder.ai. And thank you for watching.